Alfredo, thank you for joining us. In your presentation to the panel you just spoke in, you talked about how we are perhaps in something of an inefficient industry. I just wondered if you could explain really what you meant by that.
Yes, and it's fully known that the construction industry, it's an industry that doesn't reach the most advantageous results from its way of doing. But from my point of view, I don't think that new technologies and so-called disruptive technologies, information technologies, could give a great support to this innovation in the construction industry. What is surely possible is to reach good results from this innovation in the process. So it means that we can provide the best solutions to better manage the construction. It's not a matter to change the concrete formula, but it's how to manage the construction site, how to manage the logistic, how to manage the supplier. So by this point of view, the new softwares, the new standards, new technologies could help. But at the end, it's not a matter of a standardization of the product. Because as I said, a telephone is not a bridge, no? And as a telephone is made for be used by a billion of hands that are similar, quite similar, the bridges are always moving in an environment that is diverse. So by this point of view, it's not easy to standardize the product. Yeah. And from my point of view, it's not a matter of 3D printers or so on. It's a matter of the environment where we live. And on the other hand, as we are more than comfortable in using all the same telephone, we don't like to live all in the same house. And we don't like to go at school in the same school. Imagine what the town could be. So from my perspective, as I'm from Rome, the history that there was stratificated in our town is a great support. But I guess no one would like to go everywhere to the same school, everywhere to the same office, everywhere to the same sport, leisure, and so on. So this has to be managed by our industry that is quite different from industry of products.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more, I think. But just thinking more broadly about the panel session and then the whole conference, what will be your main takeaways from it all?
Now, what is very interesting to hear is that some problems are widely suffered by different countries, no? Because I've heard not only the UK, that is a reference market, but also the European different countries. And we are just all of us, we are facing the same problems. We are facing the problems of the reduction of margins, reduction of capability of investment, and this is made by reduction of the investments of the government. On the other hand, we have seen just a couple of big projects, the Grand Paris and this morning the tunnel from Denmark to Germany. And this is a big challenge. So, for example, we in Italy we are managing two big cross-border projects because we have the Brenner tunnel between Italy and Austria and the Turin-Lyon tunnel from Italy to France. And I guess this is going to be the great challenge for Europe to link all the countries. And this probably sounds strange to say in the country of Brexit, but this is the aim. And I think this conference gives us an opportunity to be more linked